can also be able to manage what you have inside, create your own list right from the picture. You can add that item into the food list or the shopping list. And if you continue buy them, if they're something like milk or eggs,
Does it connect to like Amazon or something, or just creates a memo for you so you don't forget?
both, but not with Amazon. It creates a shopping list with Fresh Direct.
Oh, okay.
Here you go, your groceries by MasterCard, Fresh Direct. I'm issue with that one right now. There's another one too, not connected with a memo, but you can also buy groceries from here. Instacart.
Without opening up the refrigerator.
Correct, yeah. It's
Wow.
just your regular shopping list. Not the one you created, but the one you type in. Browse it through the app. Recipes here, of course. Oldrecipes.com is the website and the app. Easy to navigate. You pick a category you wanted to cook. Pick something, and we'll give you the ingredients of that particular food that you want to take a look. There you go, all the ingredients right there. If you want to add more servings, you can just go ahead and do that. I want to have more people coming over.
Yeah, that's good.
Add it and it'll adjust it automatically. It'll pick all those ingredients, send it to the shopping list. It'll be delivered to your home from
Right from your refrigerator.
correct, yeah.
That is neat.
How are those pumps working out for you?
They're great. These are my walking shoes.